Hi, this is Two Moons Tribal, and I'm actually here to feed Baka and Hebrew, my doves. I have pretty doves, African ringneck doves. So here we go. We're cleaning them and giving them some fresh food today. Right, Habakkuk. Hi, Habakkuk. Hi, Hebrew. Come, Hebrew. Come, say hi to everybody. Say hello, Hebrew. Say hi, everybody. This is Hebrew. Say hi, Hebrew. This is my dove. Hi, Hebrews. That's Hebrews. She got her name from the Bible. Hebrew is our faith. Right? Hebrew is our faith. Come on, Habakkuk. Go inside. Come. This is Habakkuk. Say hi, Habakkuk. This is Habakkuk. Habakkuk is my vision from the Bible. He's the male dominant one of all of them. This is Habakkuk. He's ready to eat. So we gotta feed him. Go up there. Good boy. Now you guys can eat. You ready to eat? This is Habakkuk. He's ready to eat, getting their cage clean. Look, Hebrew and Habakkuk. Then we have Genesis over there. Genesis is the beginning of the world. Now they ready to eat. They eat pigeon seed. Because they part of the pigeon family, so they eat pigeon seed. Okay, Baka. Now they're ready to eat. Come eat, babies. Come eat. Come on, Hebrew. Come eat. Come on, Habakkuk. Come eat, Habakkuk. Come eat, Hebrew. Come on. They love to eat. And here's Baby. Baby loves to eat too. Come, Baby. You ready to eat? This is Baby. This is the one I call Baby. This is, he's ready to eat right now, so he's a little irritated with me, but he's ready to eat too. Baby is Genesis. We had Revelation, but Revelation passed away, so months ago, or last year. So now we just cleaning their cage and feeding them. He likes to put his wings up. He doesn't like me to carry him, so I'll just leave him where he is. Sorry about that. Baby likes to eat too. Go over there, baby. All right, baby. It's okay, baby. Stay right there, baby. Go eat, Baka. Go eat, Hebrew. Come on, baby. You want to eat? They like balls and things like that with bells. They like baths with mirrors. They fun. I love doves. Come get your water, baby. Go eat. Go eat. See Hebrew and Habakkuk eating. See, my doves are eating now. They're pretty hungry. And that's baby. He's just curious. And that's Revelation. He's just curious. I mean Genesis. I'm sorry. He's just curious. Go eat, baby. Go eat. On a nice sunny day, they just like to eat. Bye. Two Moons Tribal. Bye, guys.